Hello YouTubers, it's the Aussie Super Treasure Hunter here with another case unboxing. So finally my E-case has come out of America. So it is the US carded E-case. It's not 99A, it's 982E. So that's the case code there, HG. So fingers crossed we get a super, as always. That's the real hope every time you open one of these boxes. Whether it's international carded or US carded, a super's a super, and we'll take it either way if we can get it. So here we go with the unboxing, and yeah, fingers crossed we get a super. So here we go. Okay, so first car in the case is a crap one. It's the Hot Wheels Daredevils, car number 505, the rally car. New colour in the green with no number for the hunter, to annoy the hunters. Second car in the case we have the Street Beast, car number 8 of 10, the Super Stinger. Not a bad car, nice colours. Third car in the case, Hot Wheels Sports, car number 1 of 10, the Tour de Fast. Fourth car in the case, Piranha Terror, car number 7 of 10 in the Street Beasts series. We've got a double, oh great, oh fantastic, a double of the car number 1 of 5 in the Hot Wheels Daredevils, the 70 Chevelle SS Wagon. I guess there could be worse doubles than that. Next car in the box is also a double. We have a new for 2018, the Cyber Speeder Glow Wheels, car number 10 of 10. Next car in the case, car number 2 of 5 in the Fast Foodie is the Quick Bite. Next we have the Volkswagen Beetle, car number 4 of 5 in the Toon series. Next we have everyone's favourite, Hot Wheels Daredevils, car number 2 of 5, the Ford 500. Not a bad casting, just not a good one. Okay, next, oh sick. It's the Hot Wheels Robots, car number 4 of 5, the Zombot. This is also the treasure hunt in this case. Pretty cool casting. I don't mind that one actually, I really like it. Next we have another doubler. The Batman Arkham Knight Batmobile, Batman car number 2 of 5. Next we have the Monster Dairy Delivery, part of the Holiday Races, car number 3 of 6. The New Year car, Happy New Year car, it's a bit late for that. Okay, cool, I've got a double of these. It's the Twin Mill, part of the Hot Wheels Exotics series, car number 3 of 10. Next we have Street Beasts, car number 5 of 10, the Hot Walla. Next, oh beautiful, we've got a 69 Dodge Challenger 500, car number 6 of 10 in the Muscle Mainer series in that green colour. That's a cool car. Next we have another doubler, the Lamborghini Countach, part of the Toon series, car number 1 of 5. Next, oh beautiful, look at this one. The red 17 Jeep Wrangler, part of the Hot Wheels Hot Trucks, car number 8 of 10. That's a really popular one, that one. That's beautiful. Ah, awesome. Next we have a 15 Ford F-150. Car number 6 of 10 in the Hot Wheels Speed Graphics series in the blue colour. Next we have, beautiful, the 17 Ford GT, part of the Exotics, Hot Wheels Exotics, car number 8 of 10 in that beautiful sky blue. Really nice, that one. Beautiful. Next we have, oh sick, we got 2 of these, the 49 Ford F1, car number 4 of 10 in the Hot Wheels Flames series. Keep your eyes out for that one, guys. Next we have the Aston Martin 177, car number 5 of 10 in the Hot Wheels Exotics series. Next we have the HW450F, car number 3 of 5 in Hot Wheels Daredevils. Aside. Next we have the Custom 53 Chevy, car number 8 of 10 in the Hot Wheels Flames series. Hope I'm going to be looking for that baby. Next we have the 68 Mercury Cougar, part of the Hot Wheels Speed Graphics, car number 8 of 10. Another popular casting. Next we have, oh awesome, a 2016 Ford GT Race, part of the Legends of Speed series, car number 4 of 10. Next we have a 70 Dodge Charger, part of the Hot Wheels Screen Time, car number 4 of 10. Next we have a colour variation of the Hot Wheels Daredevils, car number 4 of 5, Mad Props. Not too bad, just not the best. Awesome. We've got car number 2 of 10 in the X Racers series, the Rig Storm. Even though that's a fantasy, that is a really nice fantasy. That's really well done. Next we have a 57 Chevy, part of the Holiday Racers series, car number 4 of 6. It's the Hot Wheels Valentine's car, the love car. It looks good too. Nice casting, nice detail. And no super in this case. This is just a regular Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR, car number 1 of 10 in the Then and Now series. Despite the fact it's not the super, I'm really happy to have that casting. It's not easy to find even in the shops. Beautiful casting. If you get the chance to get that, grab it. Okay, on to the second half of the case. First car out is the Volkswagen Golf MK2 or Mark II, part of the Then and Now series, car number 5 of 10. Nice little casting. We also have sick 2 Custom Ford Mavericks, part of the Factory Fresh series, car number 4 of 10. Another new casting for 2018. Beautiful, that car. Okay, next we have a crap car, Buns of Steel, Fast Foodie series, car number 5 of 5. Don't even bother with that one. Next we have another double R, the X Steam, part of the Super Chrome series, car number 6 of 10. Could give me 2 of something else. Awesome, like 2 of these. The Mazda REPU, part of the Hot Wheels Hot Trucks, car number 1 of 10 in that red colour. Awesome, keep your eyes out for that one. Next we have 2 Dodge Charger Daytonas, part of the Muscle Mania series, car number 5 of 10. Next we have another double, awesome, 2 Ice Chargers from the Hot Wheels Screen Time, car number 8 of 10. Next we have, beautiful, a 96 Nissan 180 SX Type X, Nightburns series, car number 7 of 10. Beautiful casting, that one, especially that black. It comes out later in white, so it's coming out soon in white, but that black one's awesome. Okay, unfortunately only one 10 Pro Stock Camaro, Hot Wheels Speed Graphics, car number 5 of 10. That's the Moon Eyes Pro Stock Camaro. Beautiful. We also have 2 Chill Mills, part of the Hot Wheel Fun Park series, car number 2 of 5. Not too bad. I would have preferred 2 10 Pro Stock Camaros, but awesome. We got 2 of these. 2 16 Cadillac ATS VRs, Legends of Speed car, number 7 of 10. New for 2018, that's a beautiful car, that one, especially in that black. It also comes out in red soon, but if you get the chance to get the black one, grab it. Next we have the 63 Chevy 2, the Hot Wheels Flames, car number 9 of 10. Also coming out in a new colour very soon. Oh, awesome. We also have an Aston Martin 1963 DBS, part of the Hot Wheels Screen Time series, car number 3 of 10. That is going to be hard to find in Australia especially. Next we have the Crate Racer, part of the Experimenter series, car number 6 of 10. 2 of those. We also have two 16 Mercedes AMG GT3s, Legends of Speed car, number 6 of 10. Another new for 2018 model. Beautiful cars in there. There's a lot of good cars in this E-case. Next we have the 69 Dodge Coronet Super B, part of the Hot Wheels Flame series, car number 7 of 10. Another car that's going to be hard to come by in Australia, unfortunately. Except it does come out in the colour variation again soon. We also have a MIG rig, part of the Super Chrome series, car number 7 of 10. We have two teed off 2s, part of the Hot Wheels Sports, car number 2 of 10. Not a bad casting. Awesome. We have two 71 Porsche 911s, part of the Nightburn series, car number 10 of 10. New for 2018. It's a Magnus Walker Porsche 911. Beautiful. That's also coming out in another colour variation very soon. You also have a Volkswagen T2 pickup, part of the Hot Wheels Hot Trucks series, car number 3 of 10. We have, oh awesome, we've got another Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR. Supposed to be the Super in this case, obviously I didn't get the Super. Wow. Anyway, whatever. What you get is what you get. Awesome, we've got a 2015 Mustang GT, part of the Hot Wheels Speed Graphics, car number 4 of 10. We have a Corvette C7 Z06 convertible, part of the Factory Fresh series, cars number 9 of 10. Now another car that's going to be hard to come by in Australia is this one, the Custom 15 Ford Mustang, part of the Then and Now series, car number 9 of 10. If you see that, people, grab it. And last in the case, not by far the least, is the Fig Rig Hot Wheels Ride-Ons, car number 1 of 5. And that is the E-case, people. So if you like the unboxing and you want to keep up to date with what's coming out with Hot Wheels, like and subscribe to the channel, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also post anything you want to see or hear about. Yeah, thanks a lot guys for watching. Peace out.